the British Ironworks, and I'm speaking to Clive. Clive, can you just tell us about your plans to go to LlanBikeFest?
Yeah, well, we were there last year and that was a great success, and this year we've prepared some extra sculptures that are bike related. So the bikes that we've planned to bring, we've got a fabulous bike called Rolling Thunder, which is actually rideable, so it's a sculpture of a horse for anybody that's seen it. It did go to the festival last year, but popular demand was bringing it back. And then we've got a steampunk motorcycle that is, a real sculpture of curiosities made up of all sorts of bike parts. And then we've obviously got the bike that I'm sat on now, which is a Russian bike that's been converted into a barbecue unit for anybody that loves that al fresco lifestyle. And they'll all be coming to the bike festival at Llangollen, which we are delighted to be included within.